JCB have sold hundreds of thousands of engines to a really diverse range of customer applications. They're being used around the world in all types of environments.
And because every engine is tested, that data is fed back into development here to further refine and understand both the testing processes, the development processes needed to get the most out of the engines in the field.
Our engines are designed to work with machines. They are not some kind of adaptation. They are designed and calibrated with heavy, hard work in mind.
Because we develop our own machines, JCB gets the difficulties that OEM customers will have with integrating modern diesel engines into their machines.
We can fit the new Stage 5 compliant technology into the existing carryover space claim, meaning no change to the end user for OEM applications.
OEM designs and assemblies have been kept modular, such as our after-treatment, induction systems and fan options, to meet different customer needs.
We're a small team, we're an agile team, and as such we were able to respond very, very quickly to those direct market requirements from our OEM sales team.
The OEM business is growing and growing in Power Systems, and we are constantly working with the OEM customers to make sure we deliver a robust product.
The most important thing at JCB Power Systems is the amazing team we have. We're always looking at ways to improve and better ways to achieve our goals, but most importantly, we have a great sense of urgency to make it happen.
Here at JCB, we're constantly reviewing our processes, we're constantly reviewing techniques and the way we sort of like wow and delight our customers.
Our technology and equipment is state of the art, and this is really consistent through our team.
R&D at Power Systems is cutting edge because of the equipment that we use and the people that work here going the extra mile.
So we've proven no false forward methods in the Stage 5 OEM assembly area by introducing the latest tooling and scanning equipment for those processes.
We are always looking for a way to build a more sustainable future.
Working very hard as a team throughout the plant to reduce our carbon footprint.
The most important part is making sure we do everything we can to keep our customers 100% happy.
Because we're a relatively small engine brand within this market, it enables us to create that closer connection with our customers and distributors.
We use our distributors as our local touch points to all of our OEM customers. They're there to offer on-the-ground support in the right time zone and the right language to ensure that our OEMs don't get any downtime, and our end customers have the service they expect from a brand like JCB.
We've also got the Uptime Centre, which is creating a key link between the OEMs and customers that are needing support and actually getting technicians in the field to those machines to support them in the most timely fashion.
That's enabled us to build up a huge database of real customer duty cycles, real customer usage profiles. And we use those extensively in how we set our design and durability programs for our engines.
We have the full suite of engineering skills from mechanical systems, software and electronic integration. That multidisciplinary team is co-located in one R&D centre, so we're able to respond really quickly to any demands or new development requests from our OEM customers.
Once the customer has the perfect fit for their application, we'll work closely with the distributors to focus on launch campaigns for the OEM.
We provide a complete solution. It's not just a base engine. You get the cooling pack mounted onto a structure, along with the induction system and the after treatment, and this is all included in one bespoke package.
Being relatively new to the engine manufacturing world, we're still relatively small, but what that does allow is for us to be dynamic in the way in which we react to customers' requirements. So we're small enough to listen to those customers, hear what they need, move to put it into place, and then big enough to realise those solutions into production in the field.
We're driven by innovation, and we bring that to market first and always want to lead, making our engines the best in the world.